Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about shells method. So now I will show you the technique how to answer the question. We need to find the intersection between this one and this one. So we have x square equal to y, and we put this one in here, and you got about x equal to x to the power of 4. So we move this one go to the right, and you got about x to the power of 4 minus x equal to number 0, and then you can do factorization, and we have x minus 1 equals to number 0. So you got about x equal to number 0 and x equal to number 1. So you got about y equals to number 0 and x and y equal to number 1. So we can graph the function in here. So we have origin in here, we have x and we have y. So the function, the graph of this function, that should be like this. And the graph of this function, it should be like this. And we know that we have x equal to 0 and x equals to number 1, and the number one should be in here. And we want to find the intersection in here. So now we use about shell methods, that is for rotate about or y. So the formula for this one, that should be about dv equals to 2dh, and we have r is about radius ds. So in here, this graph is about y square equal to x. This one is about y equals to x square. So we can write about y equals to the square root of x, because if we look on the graph, that's in on the positive side in here, so we don't need to carry about the negative side. That's why you got only the square root of x in the positive, and we know that the square root of x is above x square. So in this situation, h of x, you will got about the square root of x minus x square, or we got about x. And now we have the integral in here. We have number 1 and number 0, so you got about 0 in here, number 1 in here. So we have 2p, we put in here, and this one you got about square root of x minus x square. R is about x, we put x in here, and we got about ds. And now we just find the value of this one, so you got the volume in here. So we have 2p s multiply with this one, you got about s to the power of 3 over 2. This one you got about s to the power of 3 from 0 to number 1 ds. So you got about 2p. This one you got about 3 over 2 plus 1 over 3 over 2 plus 1. And this one you got about s to the power of 4 over 4. And we put the powers in here from 0 to number 1. We put number 1 in here and we can get the final answer. That's it about 3 over 20. We simplify with number 2 and you got about 3p over 10. And that's it, the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.